Welcome to the Nayati Technical Support Series. In this module, we will explain the proper process for patching Firebrick insulators on the NGKB walk range. Over time, repeated thermal expansion and contraction can cause minor cracks to form in the Firebrick insulator. Although primarily a cosmetic issue that doesn't affect the walk range's performance, we recommend repairing these fissures to preserve the unit's appearance and structural strength. To start, you will need the included mortar, a trowel, and water.
Mortar is included in the purchase of new Nayati NGKB units.
Safety is key. Make sure the walk range is turned off and the Firebrick is completely cool. Remove the burner and pilot cover to access the work area. Before proceeding, place a cloth over the center burner opening. This prevents mortar or debris from falling inside and clogging the burner. Next, prepare the surface. While our demonstration unit is new, your unit must be cleaned of any grease or carbon buildup before applying the patch. Next, mix the mortar with water. Stir continuously until you get a smooth, uniform paste like this. Apply the mixture firmly into the crack, filling it completely from the bottom up. Once filled, smooth the surface with a damp cloth. This helps blend the patch with the existing brick for a seamless look. Here is the result of a correctly applied patch. Carefully remove the protective cloth, then reinstall the pilot flame cover and the burner ring. Please note, do not use the range right away. Let the mortar cure for at least 3 hours. For the best long-term results, we suggest letting it set overnight.